Hello, this is 00J Love. I'm showing you here a flexible bendable curtain track ceiling wall mount. This is 12 feet of ceiling tracks for curtains. I got it from Amazon. This is the box it came in, and this is what I purchased. This is actually my second one I ended up ordering. I had to get two of them, and so I wanted to show you a little bit of how it looked. This is how it came, and it is really flexible, and it was quite interesting because it's so bending. It bends so much. But these are the little hooks, and you push this back and you just connect it inside. It wasn't that hard. I had to figure it out because the instructions were minimal. I did have to cut a little bit off because I ordered two 12 feet. My space that I was covering was about 121.5 well, I guess it was inches, huh? I had about 22 feet that I needed. I pushed it out. I wanted to cover, this is my HVAC vent, this metal right here, and I wanted to add the curtains to cover it, so I did 8 inches off of that. So it wasn't as even as I wanted. It's only as even as that would allow it. So I am showing you the curtain parts. This is how the hooks look, and the rollers where you roll it right on there, and the hooks. And these are the pieces. You hook it right on there, like this, like that. And then what I did is I sewed some curtains. I needed just like 18 inches. So I used a shear just to help cover up that vent up there. I wanted to do black, and I said, no, I probably need something light. So I went with white, and I did a sheer white. And I'm just showing you how that I just hooked it on there. I did the little clips on there first, and then I rolled the rollers on the line. So it's really easy just to clip it. And I tried to, the thing is, you want to distance them properly so that you don't have any hang. You have to overlook my hair. The humidity hit my hair, and it was everywhere. And so you see how at the top it kind of curved, and that's because it was the end of it. So I actually drilled two parts in there so that I can try to keep it from bending. But that was one thing, it was so curly. That was the only thing. is not what my little mind imagined, so I'll have to see. I was thinking sheer, but maybe I need a solid. Oh, okay. I have another one I just didn't sew, and I can put it up here, so we'll see. So this is the final product, and what I did, I have my sheer in front, and I used a solid white that I bought from Hobby Lobby and sewed that, and it was just a little time consuming. 00 J Love, just having some fun. Thanks for watching.